And now, this is NCTA.
Hi, I'm Ella Harmon, a second-year veterinary technology student at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis. I've lived in North Platte my whole life, and when I wasn't sure what I wanted to do after high school, my mom reminded me how much I've always loved animals. We toured NCTA, and the visit changed everything. Here, learning isn't just in the classroom, it's hands-on every single day. I get to work with animals of all kinds and explore careers I never even knew existed, from zoos and wildlife rehab to emergency veterinary care. The more I learn, the more confident I feel about my future. On campus, I serve as treasurer of the STVMA Club, I'm an NCTA ambassador, and I even work in the greenhouse. I love how close-knit this campus is. You truly can get to know your instructors and classmates. It feels like family. This fall, I introduced something brand new for our campus, the Corgi Cup, as a fundraiser. It started as a fun idea between friends and turned into a huge community event with 19 racing corgis, local supporters, and my own Corgi Ivy as our mascot and champion. We even raised funds to support local animal shelters or the food pantry. That's what makes NCTA special. It's small, affordable, and full of opportunity. Whether it's a Corgi race or a career goal, this place gives you the skills and the confidence to chase your dreams. Come visit our campus anytime, learn more, schedule a tour, or apply at ncta.unl.edu. Join me, Ella Harmon, as an NCTA Aggie. Now let's get to work.